Hi guys, this is Brazil, and we have here this bean bottle. This is a quick video. This just a little bit because I will. It's just a little. It's emptiness. I will just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this one, put it there. I will be right back, and we will eat this bean bottle. Okay, that's it. This is, what's this? I don't like this. Okay, I will get some water. I'll get some water, and we will eat this other. Okay, guys, this is my water. And first, we will use it. Look, it tastes like candy. But it's sweet. It's sweet. I like this. What's this? I like this. It's sweet, so I think so. Color blue. It actually tastes like toothpaste. It's just sweet. I have too sweet. But this I have 4. I need this. That's it. Let's eat this. I don't like this. Like a color black. It's that cold, and I like the taste. Okay, too good, and 1 bad. This one, I know it's a chocolate, not dog food. Good. Chocolate. Good. 3 good and 1 bad. Look. It is this black. I don't like that taste. I don't like it. I don't have water. 2 bad, 2 bad, and 3 good. Like this. It's actually a quick video because it's night in here and I want to go to sleep. Okay. I want it good. It's like a pear. A pear. It's good. The color black, it is like stinky socks. Like that. It's like that. Guys, thank you for watching. And subscribe down below. There are many Legos. Yeah. Bye.